One of the first things you'll want to do with Vendasta is set up your branding. Vendasta's business app is white label, which means you can add your company's own logo and URL and call it your own. How awesome is that? From Partner Center, click Administration, then click Partner Branding. Here, you can update your company name that displays to your customers in Business app and emails, and update your logo. Keep in mind the recommended dimensions for the logo of 360 pixels wide by 58 pixels high. And for the best appearance, make the background of your logo either white or transparent. You can also add a favicon, which is the little icon that appears in your client's browser tab, as well as a shortcut icon for mobile devices. This will appear on your client's iPhone or Android device if they add your business app to their home screen. We highly recommend you show your clients how to do this so they can log into your business app just like any other app they've downloaded from the App Store. It's pretty neat, huh? Here, you can also select the primary color for your brand, which primarily appears in emails sent from Vendasta's platform. There's a handy eyedropper tool that you can use to select exactly the color you want, even one right from the logo or icon you just uploaded. You also have the option to choose a theme, either light or dark, to complement your branding. It's important to keep in mind that any branding alterations you make will be applied universally across all markets. However, if you are a partner that has multiple markets as part of your subscription, you can customize and update branding settings for each market individually, here in the top right corner. And that's it. Once you've completed your setup in Partner Center, you're all set to maintain a consistent representation of your brand across the entire platform. Keep in mind that depending on your subscription tier with Vendasta, you may see co-branding. Simply upgrade your plan if you wish to remove this.